Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday, and this is a day I try to have a really good mix of productivity and chilling out. So I thought I'd show you what my typical Sunday looks like. On Sunday mornings, I like to sleep in a little bit. I usually get up around 8:30 or 9, and honestly, the first thing I do right away, admittedly, is check my phone. I do spend about 10 or 20 minutes scrolling, and then after that, I'm about ready to get up. When I do get up, I go straight to the kitchen to make a coffee. Okay, well actually I do this first. So, don't act like that doesn't happen. So after that, I go and make a coffee. Making coffee is one of my favorite things to do in the morning. I love it for practical reasons because I usually get a headache if I don't have it before 10 a.m. But I also love it for therapeutic reasons. I love the process, and weekends are when I can actually take time to enjoy it. Weighing the beans, blooming the grinds, waiting for the coffee to drip, it's the best. Next thing I do is just try to sit and chill out. Sometimes I'll put on my diffuser that I bought in quarantine. Right now, my favorite scent is this yoga one from Sage. It just really relaxes me and sets a really good tone to the day. And then after that, usually I just take some time in the morning to post on Instagram, reply back to comments, engage with you guys. This is a habit I'm actually making an effort to move to a more dedicated time to the day so I can just sit and enjoy the quiet of my coffee and just be in that moment instead. I do pride myself on being able to multitask, which you'll see in this video, but lately I'm also seeing the value in stillness and being completely in the moment, even in the little things like having a morning coffee. My shirt is really just saying what I'm thinking. By now it's around 9:30, so I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, and do a very simple skincare routine. I usually do Pilates on Sunday morning, so I don't go too crazy in the morning with my skincare, just keeping it simple. I just use a couple of products in the morning since I don't plan on wearing makeup today. My friend gave me this 100% vitamin C powder you can mix in with your day cream, so right now I'm giving it a try. It dissolves surprisingly fast. And on Sundays, I've been doing a Zoom Pilates workout at around 11, so I have some time in between to get a few things done. After I do my skincare, I go and make the bed. For me, it really does just make everything feel cleaner and like I can actually get on with my day. I know a lot of people hate making the bed, but for me, it just is part of something that just makes everything feel clean and calm, and I have to do it. Once I get into my gym clothes, I feel like there's no more excuses and I'm ready to go. But this is where the multitasking comes in. So I have about an hour until Pilates, so I usually end up doing laundry in between. And today I'm going to be trying these laundry detergent strips from True Earth. So I've been making an effort to be a little more conscious and eco-friendly in my daily routines, and that really does include my laundry. Doing laundry in an apartment turns into a whole thing. It requires a lot of prep, there's a lot of lugging heavy loads and detergents up and down and back and forth. It's a real pain. So these laundry strips really make it a whole lot easier. They are a Canadian brand where they specialize in eco-friendly and zero-waste products for the home. And they're on a mission to eliminate single-use plastics from ending up in landfills in the ocean. They're 100% plastic free, so there's no more mess or weird blue stains that you get from those laundry pods sometimes. And these strips reduce their carbon footprint by 94% compared to traditional detergents that usually come in these heavy, bulky plastic containers that come with a really high emissions burden when it comes to delivering them, carting them around, manufacturing them. So these strips are super easy to store and use. You just tear off a piece, and one strip is equal to one load, so you just toss it in the washer and throw in your laundry. Today I'm using fresh linen and it smells like summertime, you guys. So if you're interested in switching to a zero waste laundry routine, I'll leave all the info on True Earth down below in the description. They also ship to 35 different countries and have a really affordable subscription service, so you'll always have them on hand. So, you know, you gotta love fresh laundry. I'll take you away to where the sun shines so bright, so bright. You can stare at the stars at night. You can tell me anything you... Alexa, set timer for 25 minutes. After I throw my laundry in, I'm pretty hungry at this point, so I usually make myself this sloppy kind of oatmeal. I just throw in some frozen berries, almond milk, chia and flax seeds, and a little bit of cinnamon and almond butter. Throw it in the microwave and it's pretty good. I also just started using these dryer balls to replace my linen sheets just to be a little more eco-friendly with my laundry, but by this point I have about an hour to kill before my laundry is done in the dryer, and it's about time for Pilates Zoom. This is my favorite time of Sunday morning. It's really fun to just work hard and just do something kind for your body. Pilates just makes me feel really long and lengthened and lean. It's really challenging. It's harder than it looks. And I've been doing it every Sunday as part of my routine. It really just sets me up for my day, which I love. After that, I quickly take a shower, get dressed into real clothes, do my makeup, just to freshen up a bit, and I put away my laundry because it's done by this point. I also really actually try to do a little bit of decluttering when I am putting away my laundry each time, because it's just a good opportunity to minimize things that you don't really like or you're not really wearing that much. After all that is done, I'm about ready to get on with the rest of my day. It's around 12:30, 1 o'clock at this point, and I'm probably just gonna spend the rest of the day editing a video for you guys. So that's my Sunday, you guys. Thank you so much to True Earth for sponsoring a part of this video. If you are interested in any of their eco-friendly laundry strips, I will leave all that information down below. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Happy Sunday.